that bird doing?
I know.
Long-tailed bird flying.
Oh, wait.
Oh, yeah. So get him. Smallest bird, got the most courage.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Stay and look at my camera. Get close up of that.
Too much going on right now. Whoa. Too wild.
Uh-oh.
No chance to get that bird?
What you doing, Squirrel?
No, they don't. It's more like squirrels. Yeah, they eat meat. That's a squirrel. Squirrels down here eat everything. Holy shit! Somebody sitting next to my phone and they video.
This squirrel's gonna be famous.
No one.
The squirrel's not joking right now. He's like, I'll stay here just as long as we stay here. Funny, the squirrel started off way on the other side of the tree too and came all the way over.
Right out your hand.
That's your bird. Stand off.
Boy, they got the mountain guy coming in the other squirrels.
What if we take the squirrel and it flies off of the squirrel? What are we gonna do? We're gonna help him shit.
No, film it.
Right there. Probably not all the way, but almost. Well, he turned around.
Yeah. Yep. What if the squirrel even walks?
Kill it in class and take a lecture on garbage can to get something from the garbage.
I guess the Hawks gonna get tired of this shit. He's gonna play the tag up for him.
Why not have two on two?
He's like, it's my vision. He's over there all day, every day. So why does he wait for the Hawks?
that hawk is going to have to drop down. It's going to drop down this way, and it's going to have to loop through wherever we're standing. It's probably the reason why it hasn't taken off yet. It's not a better place.
You don't have like a Facebook or something? I don't have a lot of names on the phone.
Squirrel back.
So he can get the squirrel now.
Squirrel's ran up.
Oh, man. You was near. That bird was out.
Uh-oh.
I got a kick.
Trying to bust up the fun.
Right. Dang. I am.
Go away, you're scared. Go away.
No.
Squirrel.